Some volunteers and friends here from the Newport Aquarium. Aiden is our aquarium kid, and he comes in each time we have these animals because he loves them so much. No surprise to Dan Dunlap. You just love having kids around for this, don't you?
Definitely. Two of my passions, teaching and animals, and we get to do that this morning to everybody here in Cincinnati.
Okay, so we have a baby alligator here because we now have this new display at our Newport Aquarium. I noticed that you have Aiden kind of taught how to pet that. So tell us a little bit about how you got the white alligators and what we can see when we go there.
Well, right here we have my friend Walter, who's a baby American alligator, and one of our big exhibits right now are the two white alligators, Snowball and Snowflake, that we have at the aquarium as well, and you can stop by and see those.
Now you won't let them out of your hand because?
We cannot let him out of my hand because I'm trained on handling the alligators, and we do not want him to run off the table and or come near any fingers that get near his face.
I was actually really excited. I wanted to see him scatter there. Okay, so you also have something you said you'd like to talk about, which is the Wave Wheels program and the Gemini program.
Yeah, we have a Wave on Wheels outreach program where we actually bring our exotic animals into the community. So we love getting out to schools, senior centers, swim clubs, daycares, libraries, you name it. We come out and we educate the public on the wonders of aquatic life and our great outreach ambassador animals.
You know, there is nothing like this except when you see it. You know, it sort of commands your attention. Isn't it cool?
Definitely. Seeing it up close and personal and being able to touch it, and people love getting pictures with them. It's just a great, great experience.
And then the Wave on Wheels would actually take, like you talked about, taking shark tanks into schools and things like that. So you need donations to kind of bring that back.
Definitely. We're actually working on getting a shark cart up and running to where we can actually take sharks out into the community. So we're looking for donations right now, and we're looking to raise enough money to be able to get the shark cart up and running, and hopefully we'll be able to bring it on your set and unveil it to the city of Cincinnati.
Boy, that'd be nothing better than sharks on the set, huh? All right.
Especially during Shark Week.
You know, his skin feels kind of, what's it feel like to you, Aiden? It feels kind of scaly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it almost feels like sandpaper a little bit.
Yep, very rough. They have armored plates that will get harder as they get older.
How big will he get?
Well, he'll grow a foot per year for the first 6 years of his life.
A foot per year?
Yes, so he could actually grow up to be the size of Mighty Mike, who is currently 15 feet, 900 pounds.
And they live really long.
They do live very long. We don't know exactly how old Mighty Mike is. We guess he's in his 50s right now, and hopefully he'll stay with us for a much longer time.
All right. Well, if you get a chance, stop by the Newport Aquarium. We also have a great website you can go to make a donation to that Wave on Wheels program. Dan Dunlap, thanks for coming in. Aiden, thanks for being our volunteer to play with the alligator today.